Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. My dear friends, this is the hourly chart of gold in front of us, and we can see that gold is trading in a narrow range. Yesterday, we got a good selling opportunity around these areas. Today, we can see the market is going up, breaking this level. Does it mean that we have a breakout? No, market is still inside the range. So let's try to find out the trading opportunities for the day. Before that, let's look at the market sentiment. So gold firms on concerns over Trump's reciprocal tariff plans. Gold edges higher, supported by prospects of rising investor demand. So my dear friends, more or less it is clear to us that chances of gold going below 3,000 or gold going to 2950 is very less. So we can expect that either the market will be bullish or the market will be sideways, because for a trend reversal or a downside, we need a fundamental reason that is missing. And we were witnessing some sort of correction, and last week we saw the market beautifully taking support around 3000 area, so the possibility of correction is also very low. And as long as market remains like this, the trading opportunities are also limited, that we discussed yesterday also. So to not lose patience, okay, and just stick to the levels. Be disciplined, be a trader, not a gambler. And my dear friends, this week also we have a giveaway from FunnyFX of a $5,000 challenge account. Yesterday we declared the winner of the last week's giveaway. So if you want to win the next giveaway, write something in the comment section or why you deserve the funded account, and just hit the like button. And those who don't know about FundyFX, it's an award-winning platform operating since 2021. And the best part is that they provide profit split up to 95%, funding up to $3 million, weekly payouts 24 into customer support, and the most unique feature is that they do not have daily drawdown. They only have overall drawdown that you need to maintain, and they also provide instant funding. If you do not want to go for challenges phase 1, phase 2 and directly want a good funding, you can directly purchase their instant funding also. Right now they have a 15% off going on. Okay, you can check everything on their website. The link will be in the description. And to win the giveaway, okay, hit the like button and write something beautiful in the comment section or why do you deserve the funded account. And those who want to purchase the instant funding, okay, you can just check their website. Okay, they also have some awesome things. My dear friends, you can see that the levels that we discussed in our previous videos are still very much valid. Okay, things have not changed much. If you have watched the video from yesterday or day before yesterday, you can easily recognize these lines. So these levels are still very much valid. Means in case of an accident, okay, if market shows heavy selling pressure, we have the best support around 2970 that we derive with the help of Fibonacci. I do not want to repeat, okay, how we derived it, because it will be very boring, isn't it? So 2970 is still a valid support. Before 2970, we also have a support around 2982, 2977 because of this. And this is also a valid support. The second support. Before 2982, 2977, we also have a support around 2992, 2990. Okay, let me write it down. 2992, 2990, because of previous resistance working as support. This area or this support is also very much valid. But yesterday's video we discussed that 3000, okay, 3000 to 3002, okay, is a weak support. But now we can see that gold is sideways. Yesterday it was not clear to us whether gold is purely sideways or not, but now we can see that the trend of the market is indecisive. We do not have a clear trend right now. So it seems that 3000 or 3002, the support from Friday, is back again in the game. So if market drops during the day, not day, we can look for a buy around these areas as well. You can see that we have multiple layers of support. Okay, so as a day trader, you can look for a bounce around each and every support if market comes down. And before 3000 area, we also have a support around 300, 3009, 3010, 3010. Okay, I think we discussed about this support yesterday as well. So the support around 3010, not So what is happening? Okay, 3010, 3009 is also still very much valid. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 support levels on the chart of gold where we can look for a buy position. But in comparison to the support, okay, the resistances or selling opportunities are very less. Why? The reason is that the overall market is bullish and we cannot deny it. So in a bullish market, okay, obviously taking a sell at resistance is a bad decision. But right now we can see that gold is sideways. Okay, so we can look for a sell around 2755 to 2759 or 2760. So this big area is also a resistance for the chart of gold. Usually in a bullish market, we always avoid selling. But now, okay, there is a possibility that due to the sideways nature of the market, okay, we may find a selling opportunity around 3055 to 3060. Okay, and yesterday's resistance around 3044 is also valid. So day traders, you can look for a sell around 3044, 3046 area if you see the market is showing price rejection from above. This level 3044 we derive with the help of Fibonacci. Okay, let me show you once if you're new to the channel. Okay, this was our FIBO 78.6% retracement level. Okay, so far our FIBO levels are doing a fine job. So we are also looking for a sell around FIBO 78.6. So around 3044, if we see a market showing price rejection from above, we can look for a sell position. So apart from these areas, okay, I do not see that we do not have much opportunities here. So be careful. We may not have many trading opportunities on the chart of gold, but if you enter on the middle of the chart, you may get stuck. And usually, as a retail trader, our stop losses are not big also. So we need to take the decision very carefully. Do not lose patience. As a day trader, most of you use the 50 minutes time frame, I know. So on the 50 minutes time frame, okay, we have another opportunity that I would like to discuss, and that is around 3030 or 3028. Okay, 3030 3028. So during the day, obviously market will come down. So you can also observe the market around this area as well, 3030 3029. If market takes support as a day trader, we can look for a 40 to 50 pips bounce around this area as well. But unlike the other levels, this is not a very strong level. That the logic is simple. Okay, higher time frame, high reliability, lower time frame, low reliability. Okay, so if you see market taking support around this area, as a day trader, you can look for a position here as well. But do not forget that market is in a range right now. So if you're a swing trader, position trader, looking for a new position, this is not the ideal time. You need gold out of the range. Then only you should be looking for a fresh opportunity. If you have any ongoing buy on gold, you can hold your buy, continue with your buy position, but not a new position. This chart is strictly for day traders only because market is stuck in a range. And do not expect big profits like 200 pips, 400 pips, 500 pips in this situation because it won't be able to deliver. We need to be flexible. And my dear friends, you must already know that the world's most affordable Forex trading workshop is back again for the last time. That I conduct in both Hindi and English language. दोनों language में होता है. It's a 7 days workshop followed by 1 month support, especially for those people who are struggling with the market, unable to make money for the last couple of months and years. So if you have learned all the crazy concepts in the market but still not profitable, then this workshop can provide the solution for you. At first, there will be 3 consecutive classes and 4 weekly sessions, and these are the dates here. Hindi classes are starting from 4th April, 4th, 5th, and 6th, and English classes are starting from 11th of April, 11th, 12th, and 13th, and these are the dates for the weekly sessions. You can join now also. Till the workshop, you'll be receiving free market updates analysis in our WhatsApp group or community. And my dear friends, as I said, it's a workshop with 1 month support. And in the 1 month support, you'll be receiving free market updates analysis like this so that you can understand how to proceed with the knowledge and how to proceed with the market. Because most of us get confused in the morning, okay, where to take trades, how to observe the chart, and this can be the best solution. Many people also join because they get ready-made stuff, but mostly it is for learners only. And these are the topics that we will be discussing during the workshop. You can see no fancy topics here. We will just be looking at the market as it is. And you'll also be receiving free risk management guide, discipline guide, lot size calculator, and many other things. And if you're a resident of India, agar aap India se ho, you must be knowing that there are some legal complications. For that, we will have a special session. And you can see you'll be part of the group. Okay, this one group, and if you join for lifetime or semi-annual, so this will remain forever. Okay, and these are the topics of the weekly sessions, and all the classes are conducted over Google Meet. Okay, and if you are unable to attend, then also nothing to worry. I record each and every session so that you can watch later. And joining is very simple. You just need to see which one is the best option for you. If you are only interested with the workshop with 1 month support, then you just need to pay $20 or rupees 1500. If you want longer relationship, because trading takes time, it's a journey, we need guidance, we need mentorship also. If you're looking for semi-annual or lifetime support, then you can pick any one of these. Okay, for semi-annual you need to pay $80 or rupees 5000, where you'll be receiving 2-person sessions to clear doubts and ask questions. In lifetime support, you will be a part of the community forever, and also you'll receive 6-person sessions to clear doubts and ask questions. And these are the payment methods. Once you're done with the payment, okay, just share a screenshot to this WhatsApp number. I will add you to the group. That's all.